before you do any surgery or anything drastic, I think there are three things that you can do to materially improve your appearance. The first thing is Invisalign. And I know Invisalign sounds like tried and true. When did this come out? Like 20 years ago at this point, right? But having straight teeth just does something to your facial frame that, frankly, it's hard to replicate. When you have your teeth that are well aligned, particularly your bite, it actually changes the structure of your mouth and your overall face at large. So if you're someone that unfortunately were unable to get braces when they were younger, etc., it's not over. You can be an adult and you can change the shaping of your mouth internally, such that overall your face shape changes. And for many people, it tends to be for the better. It looks better and it looks more holistic, and it makes your face, for the most part, looks more cohesive. Now, the next thing is Lumify. And Lumify is this product that you can use to whiten your sclera. Now, it seems a little minute, probably seems pretty small, but I think that Lumify is insane. Because for a lot of people out there that might be dealing with like a red eye or some kind of like kind of tint to the sclera, and by the way, the sclera is a white part of your eye. When you're able to lighten that up, it makes your overall appearance look better because you look you look well rested, you look better, you look healthier. And when people are spending a bunch of time staring into your eyeballs, you're probably better off having a white sclera than not, because you are also suggesting your health indicators that overall that, hey, I'm a healthy person. Just something to think about. Now, the last thing, and this is one that I've been trying to kind of like figure out, but I would say finding a haircut that suits your head shape. Now, this applies to both men and women because not all haircuts make sense for each particular woman. So for example, there are some instances in which short hair makes a lot more sense for women. There's some instances in which long hair makes more sense for men, right? Like you have to do a face shape analysis, and I don't offer a product or a service in which you can determine your face shape. But there are a lot of resources out there that you can use to help figure out what your face shape is so that you can pick a haircut that best suits you. All of these things in combination can drastically improve your overall appearance. So I would say make sure you do things like that. And there are a ton of other ones that I can think of, but I don't want to make this a super long video. But make sure you do all of these little things first before you go off the deep end, because you might actually like what you see in the mirror once you're done, as opposed to having to spend tens of thousands of dollars reworking your face when in fact you don't really have to. Yeah.